Hi! In front of me is CROSSCALL Core M5, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. Begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS Launcher and get this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, choose while using and allow in all pop-ups. Then go to Devices settings. In them, select Apps section, scroll down, tap on Default Apps, and then Home app. Lastly, to apply iOS Launcher, click on it, click on Got it, and OK. And as you can see, after that, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!